just like candy. I can feel it when you walk, even when you talk. It takes over me. You're so dandy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Told you I'll be doing more videos. This one I'm gonna be doing my hair. I decided to do my hair in box braids because your girl is tired of doing her hair. Hopefully this can carry me all the way over into June and until my baby shower. So this should be good. Let me show you the hair that I'm gonna use. Alright, so no.
Yeah.
Why? Do you want them?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've never used this hair, but we're gonna use this. And also this one. I've used this one. My last braids that were brown and went down to like a blonde. It was this this hair here. This one is in a 1B30 and this one's in a 1B. I should have gotten a 4, but I'm gonna do this in the back and then these, the 1B up top. I also have some other hair. Go bring me that other hair, Toots. And that hair is a blonde, so I'll have some blonde pieces in there as well. No, not this one. Here. This one. Oh, yeah. So here's the other hair that I had that I used before. So I didn't know I had 2 packs, but I have. This is the one I had in my hair last time, and I actually liked it. It looked really good. So maybe we'll put some pieces of this in there. Yeah, and that's it. So my battery is dying. God damn it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna blow dry my hair because the ends of my hair are curly, and then I'm gonna section it off, and I'm gonna do the rubber band method because I think that'll be easier. They're gonna be medium to big size because we ain't got 10 hours to be sitting here doing my hair. So let's go. Okay, so can you close this? Close that drawer, please. Yes. Okay, so don't mind my bed. I didn't make up my bed. So
I put a background right there.
no, baby, it's fine. So now what I'm gonna do? I'm going to. My hair is already parted down the middle, and it's a decent looking part. Go bring me your mirror, your blue one, please. And then I'm gonna just part it down, and then I'll separate the back. See the ends of my hair? It's actually not that bad. I may just be able just to. Thanks. I don't know. I may not have to. Yeah, maybe not. I know I have to comb it out though, so. finally done my hair. I just dipped my ends in water so they're still wet. Let me show you what the back looks like. Well, ugh. Here's the top. I did this one too big. Here's the back. I did big ones. They're pretty big. So I didn't have to sit here and have like 1,000 braids in my hair. Got some blonde pieces in there. So now I'm gonna grease my scalp. And then I'm gonna clean up my mess. Put that in my hair. That feels good.
I know. It always feels good.
I made this one too big.
You should do another.
Nope, not doing it.
Will you ever do this again?
Yeah.
This is really your second.
Yeah, I don't want to watch Juice. Babe, I don't want to watch Juice. Yeah, I'm just putting oil on my scalp.
I'm coming to mommy.
You can't. I think we're gonna watch a dog movie. Oh, go. Daddy wants you.
Ouch!
I wish I could find the spray grease, the spray oil. Kofi,
Yes, ma'am.
Daddy wants you.
Okay.
I'm so thirsty.
Mommy,
Yes.
for all of us.
Okay. That feels good. Okay. So, yep, that's my hair, and I'm done. I am tired. We're about to go look at a movie.
Hi, peoples.
Ma'am, go away. Make sure I put some in the front of my hair. I like the rubber band method because it's not pulling on my hair, so my hair is not sore. Well, some places it is. That's because I made sure that the
Can I use the bathroom real quick?
Dude, go downstairs and use the bathroom. Bye. Go. We have 2 bathrooms. Go. Wrap up my hair. Yeah. Dude, this one is so big. Oh. That nice. Ooh, that hurts. Okay. So it is sore. Let me wrap it up. Alright guys, good night. I'll see you later. Bye.